Hello everyone, my name is Estin Dias. I'm from IMS, and today we have a ex-student, Sudam. So we'd like to hear from him, his story, his journey. How was his experience on ship, and what was the interesting part about it?
Hello, my name is SUDAM SHIRODKAR. I'm from Goa. So I have done my engineering in mechanical stream from Goa Engineering College. Then I went to join Merchant Navy in marine engineering from Institute of Maritime Studies.
Which company you have sailed?
I have sailed with Synergy Maritime.
Okay, and which ship you joined? Your first ship?
My first ship was a container ship.
Okay. And how is it in container ship? Do you have frequent ports?
In container ships, it's always a hectic schedule. Frequent ports are there every time. Sometimes I had experienced 2 ports in one day.
Okay. And how about did you get any shore leave and all?
Actually, I didn't get any shore leave because I was sailing during the pandemic.
Pandemic time.
So no countries were allowing us to go for a shore leave.
Okay.
So that was the worst part.
Okay. And as a junior engineer, under whom did you do much work of? What kind of work you did under which engineer?
Actually, as a junior engineer, I'm under second engineer. I did every type of work on my ship. I did 2 months drydock, wherein every machinery on my ship was opened. So I think I got a great experience from my first ship.
Okay. And how was drydock experience? Was it very tiring, and were too many people from ashore involved?
My drydock was during pandemic, so it was in China especially. So I was surrounded by full Chinese people. So we were very scared to work with them because of coronavirus.
So it was very good learning experience for you. And so now Sudam is come for his ERSO course, and he'll be answering his class 4. We all wish him very good luck and best of luck in future. And he has a good sailing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.